So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you this one handy tip of this next appointment drop down, which you'll see in your taskbar right at the top. So by clicking on this downward arrow, this will tell you your very next appointment that's coming up in your diary. So you'll see the date and the time showing here. You'll be able to see how much the appointment value is and what service you're offering. It'll be all in the colour that you've selected for that service. This tells you the length of your appointment, the fact that the appointment is totally unpaid at this point. It's an upcoming appointment, so it's pending, so this drop down will be for attended and cancelled to enable you to update the status of the appointment. The appointment is with that name there, Caroline, and this is the address of the appointment. This will take you, if you click on this details button, to the actual appointment details screen. If you press the directions button, this will take you into Google Maps or Waze if you're on your phone to be able to get you directions to your next appointment. This quick link button here will send an invoice directly to the client so long as you've got an email address in your field for that client. And this button takes you very quickly to add a payment for that client under the payment methods that you've chosen. So this little button here is really handy, this next appointment button. And if you scroll through here very quickly, you'll be able to see your upcoming appointments all in date order and past appointments here if you're looking for somebody in your sequence of appointments. So that's just clicking on your next appointment button here in the top left-hand area on your taskbar.